Mastering keto sauces without starch.
Craving creamy, thick sauces on keto? Achieving that luxurious texture is possible even without high-carb thickeners like flour or cornstarch. With a few smart swaps, your sauces will stay rich and flavorful while keeping carbohydrates low. Discover the best keto-friendly ways to give your dishes body and depth, perfect for any low-carb kitchen.
Cream cheese, a rich keto staple.
Cream cheese is a keto favorite for thickening sauces. Just whisk in a spoonful while heating your sauce, and it will quickly melt and create a velvety, rich consistency. Since it's low in carbs and high in fat, cream cheese keeps sauces indulgent and smooth, all while fitting perfectly with a ketogenic diet plan.
Egg yolks, silky and classic.
Egg yolks help thicken sauces with a smooth, silky finish. Gently whisk a yolk into a small bowl of your warm sauce. Then return the mixture to the pan to cook gently. This technique, called tempering, creates a luxurious texture, perfect for keto-friendly hollandaise, cheese sauces, or creamy casseroles, without adding extra carbs.
Xanthan gum, powerful and precise.
Xanthan gum is a tiny but mighty thickener. Just 1/8 of a teaspoon, sprinkled and whisked into your hot sauce, can quickly achieve the desired thickness. This low-carb powder is flavorless, so it won't change your dish's taste. It's especially useful in gravies or where you'd normally use cornstarch or flour.
Reducing and simmering, old-school thickening.
Simply simmering your sauce can make it thick and delicious. Letting liquids evaporate concentrates both flavor and texture, naturally thickening sauces without adding anything extra. Keep your pan uncovered and stir gently. This method works for tomato, cream, or broth-based sauces, keto and all-natural.
Extra tips for keto sauce perfection.
Incorporate grated cheeses, pureed cooked vegetables, or butter for even more creamy thickness. Experiment with blending in soft goat cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or a spoonful of mascarpone. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Soon, every keto meal will have sauces that are deliciously rich and perfectly thickened.